Ryan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video for you guys. This is going to be my Jewish home tour. So my last video I posted was how to hang up a mezuzah, and in that video I sort of showed all the mezuzah around my house, and it gave me the idea to kind of do like a Jewish home tour and show you guys all the different Jewish objects I have in my house and how we have like a Jewish home. And everyone in the comments was so supportive of that, so I really felt encouraged to film this video. So thank you to everyone who commented and said they wanted to see it. So yeah, I wanted to film it for you guys. So let's get started. Welcome to my home. So when you come into our home, by the way, I do have two dogs, so you'll probably see them running about. This is our living room area, and right when you come in, there is this chest kind of thing, which we actually got from Macy's. There's a few special Jewish objects here, and special stuff from our wedding, which of course was a Jewish wedding, so there's some of that. This is the invitation from our wedding, and inside I just keep special things from our honeymoon and wedding. And in this drawer, I keep a ton of kippahs. These are the ones from our wedding, and then all the weddings that we've been to are back here. And so whenever I host Shabbat dinner, I can just pull the kippah out of here. And I also keep my B'Kol Echad, which are these song booklets. This is from USY. I was part of Forest USY, shout out. So whenever we have Shabbat, I'll usually pull these out so people can read the prayers or sing songs. Then in this drawer, I have my challah cover. This one my mother-in-law made for me. It's really beautiful. And this is our challah board. This is an Annie glass one. I've talked about it before. Also really special to me. Then in this cabinet over here, this is our china, and here is my everyday challah board. And I also have the challah cover that I made with Chai and Home for a video, which I'll link below. So I keep those two right there for our, everyday Shabbats when we don't have guests. This is the liquor cabinet, so there's lots of like wine and alcohol in here, and I definitely need to put a baby lock on that. It's just something my son has like never tried to open, but I definitely need to get that sorted. And there's also a lot of Judaica in here. So these are Shabbat Candlesticks I got from my great aunt who lived in Israel. These I think are from my sister when she went to Israel. And then I've also got some older Kiddush cups that have been passed down. And this is one of our Hanukkahs for Hanukkah. It's a little like baby elephant one. It's really cute. And then back here I also have a Havdalah set, which consists of the spice holder, a Kiddush cup, and the candle holder. And yeah, I got that from my sister and her family when we got married. This, by the way, is an elephant candle, if you're curious. And then back here I have one more Hanukkah. This is a silver one that we got from my husband's grandparents. That is our like special family one for Hanukkah. So that is everything in that cabinet. Then as you come around into our kitchen, where there's lots of kosher food, of course, but I did want to highlight some of the things I keep in here. So in this glass cabinet, I keep my everyday Shabbat stuff, which includes these like crystal candlesticks we got from my husband's grandmother. Let me move you guys over here. That will make my life easier. And then I also have my grandmother's candlesticks, which are these silver ones. And then we have oh my gosh, we have a bunch of Kiddush cups. This one was given to my son when he was born, and it was actually his great-grandfather's Kiddush cup, but they have the same initials. This was mine from my bat mitzvah, and this is my husband's from his bar mitzvah, I think, or maybe when he was born. If you'll notice, it matches his grandfather's, now my son, so kind of like continuing that tradition. And then we also have a tzedakah box in here at the end of the week before Shabbat. We like to put our change in here. This is a Gary Rosenthal one. I talk a lot about Gary's artwork because it's so beautiful and I love it. So we have a lot of his pieces. Speaking of which, we have this dreidel that my niece and nephew made for me when they visited. We went to Gary Rosenthal's studio with PJ Library and they made this. And then I also have a Gary Rosenthal Hanukkah. This is from our wedding. It's got the wedding date, and it says Anila Dodi Vidodi Li, which means I am my beloved and my beloved is mine, which we said at our wedding. And this is the glass. I talked about this in my mezuzah video. So the glass that my husband stepped on and broke, we kept and put in this Hanukkah and then on the mezuzah by our bedroom door. And that is all the Judaica and Jewish objects I have in my kitchen. Oh, and that is my toast from this morning that I still have not eaten, just to show you guys how I keep it real in this video. Then my son over here, he has his little kitchen. And I wanted to show this to you guys because in it, he's got his little Shabbat set. So he has a bunch of like play food and that kind of stuff in here that he plays with. And in this is from KidKraft. It comes with a challah board. This is the challah cover again that we made with our with my High and Home collab video. So cute. And then it's just got like candlesticks, kiddish cups around the challah, because this is actually the high holiday set. A shofar, all that kind of stuff. If you're looking for something for your kids, I recommend that one. It's very like well made and has lasted us a while. Okay, then this is my son's playroom, which I've done a tour of before, and I wanted to show you guys his PJ Library shelf. So if you don't know about PJ Library, it's this really awesome program where they give one free book a month to Jewish kids, and it's super easy to like sign up and get the books and everything. So we've had our like PJ Library membership for just over a year now, and you can see how many books we've already managed to accumulate from them. So first we have this like Judaica box, which is also a little game, and then these are all the books. Right now they're in rainbow order, but that might change. So yeah, that's our like little PJ Library bookshelf. Okay, then in my son's nursery, we have his Hebrew name. This was a gift from his aunt and uncle and cousins. It says Micha or Micah, which is Max's Hebrew name. So we just keep it there on his little chest of drawers. Welcome to my bedroom. I feel like I'm on Cribs. I want to be like, this is where the magic happens. Don't be surprised that my dog has found his way into every single room of this video. He is what we call a Velcro dog, and he's never too far away. I do have a second dog who's the opposite of the Velcro dog, and don't even know if she's in this house right now. So yeah. All right, so back to the tour. So this is my very Jewish doggy. Hi, Rocky. Yeah, I know. Cuddles for the camera. Give him some face. Give him some face. You're such a model. You're such a model. Okay, that could be a whole nother video. So I wanted to, of course, show you guys my Ketubah, which we have here in our bedroom. This is a paper cut Ketubah. Is made by Anya Kesha in Israel. On the top it says Ani Ladodi Vidodi Li. You'll sense a theme there from our wedding. And yeah, we had to mail that back from LA afterwards, which was a pain, but it's here now and I love it. Okay, so that's the main Jewish thing I would say I have in my bedroom, but I also did want to quickly bring you guys into my closet because I do have a few pieces of Jewish jewelry, which I pulled out the other day so I wouldn't forget to show it. This one is from an artist in Israel called Judaica, and it's right in the old city of Jerusalem if anyone's ever been. Let me know if you guys have a piece like this. So this is a heart, and on the inside, it's a little hard to see, but it says, Beyado of Kidruchi be'eti sham ve'a'ira ve'imruchi geviati Adonai li ve'lo ira, which is the prayer that I use for my Jewish meditation, which I also did a video on and will link below. But it says, in his hands I place my spirit. When I'm awake and when I sleep, God is with me. I'm not afraid. So I used to wear this every day. It's a little big and chunky for like work now, but I still love it. And I also have this Tiffany Jewish star necklace that my parents gave me when I was younger. Then this one is a chamsa, which is a Jewish like good luck symbol to like keep the evil eye away. And if it will focus. I got this for myself actually when we had just lost a pregnancy, and I wanted something to wear just to, like, I don't know, provide some comfort to me. So I got this for myself at a Judaica gift shop where I went to the mikvah after that happened. So yeah, I keep those in my jewelry drawer in my closet. And on this side I have some like special little keepsakes, and this is actually my bat mitzvah invitation in a box. My really good family friend who got me the one from our wedding also gave us this beautiful one, or gave me this beautiful one when I was little. So I just have really random stuff in here, but yeah, I keep that in my closet. Oh, and I should show you guys this too. We made this with my son Max for Hanukkah this year. It's supposed to be like a little Hanukkah with his hands. It's really cute. We did this at one of those like painting places. They had all these like Hanukkah ideas, so yeah, that was really exciting. Hi, Rock. Oh, there's the other one. Hi, Reedy. You gonna be in the tour? You're gonna be in the Jewish doggy tour. That's our other dog who has graced us with her presence for the rest of this tour. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so this is our office. It's really my husband's office because I work in our bedroom, if you saw my desk up there. So there's a lot of like sports stuff in here. But I did want to show you guys, we have a few Jewish items in here. These are ones from his family. This is a tzedakah box. This is a dreidel for Hanukkah. Back there are candlesticks from his grandmother. And this is a shofar, which is really cool. This is really special. This is actually a ram's horn. And this one, and I guess he still has the sticker on it, is from Israel, but yeah, this is just like such a cool object. I want to figure out a different place in our house for it, but I have no idea where to put something like this. But yeah, this is a very special object. On the Jewish high holidays, they'll blow this in synagogue, and it makes an amazing noise, which I cannot replicate because I'm not able to do it. But yeah, I think it's really cool that we have one of those. And then last but not least, this is an area of my house I've never showed before on YouTube because it is so not minimalistic that I'm like, oh gosh, but here it is. This is my entertaining closet, I guess you would say, but it's all the stuff I keep. We love to host people. We host people all the time. So I feel like I honestly use everything here, but I did want to point out there's a few, I have all my cookbooks in here. So these are some of my Jewish cookbooks that I love. And I also have some more over here. So yeah, I definitely have some amazing Jewish cookbooks in here. And then in this drawer I keep all of my like holiday decorations. So there's a lot of Hanukkah stuff in here. You will have seen it all in my like decorate for Hanukkah video and other holidays, but that's in here too. And then on this side of the closet, I also have our Passover dishes. We have a separate set for Passover, and down there is our Passover, some more Passover stuff. Inside here is our Seder plate and stuff. I won't take it all out because you would have seen it on in my How to Host a Seder videos. And then I just have to show you guys this because if any of you went to Jewish preschool, it'll probably look familiar. This is my husband's that he made in nursery school. I'll see. I wonder if it has a date on it. I don't see a date, but I wonder maybe this is mine from nursery school. It says Marion, and no, there's no date, but this is definitely from like probably 87, 90, something like that. So yeah, those keep down there as well. And in that corner, I also have my son's like wooden Hanukkah, so I just keep that there. This, by the way, if you're interested, I always like dry clean our cloths after hosting like, you know, Seder or Shabbat or whatever, and then I just hang it in here with the rest of this kind of stuff. So yeah. Okay, so that's everything. That is my Jewish home tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I've got lots of fun Jewish content coming up for the summer, so definitely subscribe to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!